Are you making mistakes that are turning your Brazilian wax into an extremely painful experience? We're diving into the 6 most common errors. A Brazilian wax will always be a little uncomfortable, but extreme pain is usually avoidable. Most people make these mistakes before, during, and after the wax. Mistake number 1, having hair that is too short or too long. This is one of the biggest culprits of unnecessary pain. If your hair is too short, the wax can't grip properly, leading to repeated, painful pulling. If it's too long, you get a stronger pulling force and more pain. The ideal length is about a grain of rice, or 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Anything outside that ideal length range means you're setting yourself up for unnecessary pain during your next session. Mistake number 2, waxing right before your period. Your body is naturally more sensitive during this time. Before your period, you have a lower pain tolerance and increased skin sensitivity. The result is a wax that feels way more painful than it should. For the least painful experience, the best time to schedule your wax is a few days after your period ends. Mistake number 3, waxing on dry or irritated skin. Dry skin seriously makes the waxing experience worse. When your skin is dry, the wax sticks unevenly, the skin doesn't stretch properly, and hair removal becomes rough and painful. To prepare, always exfoliate 24 hours before your appointment and keep your skin consistently moisturized. Mistake number 4, wearing tight clothes immediately after your wax. This one surprises a lot of people. After waxing, your pores are open and your skin is extremely sensitive. If you wear tight clothes, you increase friction and irritation, leading to more pain, redness, and even bumps. Always opt for loose, breathable clothing after your Brazilian wax to protect your sensitive skin. Mistake number 5, especially for at-home waxing, not holding your skin properly. If the skin isn't stretched taut, the wax pulls your skin, not just the hair, and that's what causes that sharp, intense pain you want to avoid. Mistake number 6, hitting the gym or working out too soon after your waxing session. Working out right after is a big mistake. Sweat and friction combine to cause irritation, a burning sensation, and increased discomfort. Give your skin a chance to recover. Wait at least 24 hours before engaging in any intense physical activity. Finally, a bonus warning. If you notice severe pain, pus, or lasting irritation, that is not normal. These symptoms mean you may need medical attention. Don't ignore severe or persistent post-wax complications. Avoid these 6 common mistakes, and your next Brazilian wax will be a much less painful experience. Follow for more science-backed tips before your next session.